First of all, I would like to greet all of you. Hello everyone, it's me Ravi Singh Bandari and it's honor for me to get a chance of virtual presentation of grade 11. I would like to thank our English teacher Mr. Mukund Raj Kandel for this opportunity. Okay, without any further delay, let me allow to share my views to you about an essay on libraries. Essay on libraries. The topic of essay on libraries sounds pretty good. From the topic I can guess that the essay is must about the books and their importance etc. First of all, let's talk about the writer of the essay. This is a short essay written by Oliver Wolf-Sachs. He was born in 1993 in London and was educated at Queen's College, Oxford. He was a neurologist and an author. He has written a number of books including The Man Who Mistook His Wife for a Hat, Musicophilia, and Hallucinations. Summary of the essay on libraries is written in praise of intellectual freedom, community work, and the ecstasy of serendipitous discovery. Among the titans of mind and spirit shaped and saved by libraries was the great neurologist, author, and voracious reader. In this essay he talks about his childhood memories, his passion for reading and writing, his education and career. When he was a child, his most liked room was his father's oak-paneled library room, with all four walls covered by the books of different fields, like science, chemistry, history, which he used to study a lot. In the library all the books have their fixed place, such as history and adventure books were on the lower shelves. His father was a Hebrew scholar from Mission Society. From the essay I also found out that his mother is also a book lover. In the speaker's eyes, that library room was the best place to enjoy. He had such a hunger of reading that sometimes he became late for lunch or dinner. Apart from his library, there was also the local library named Willesden Public Library, where he used to spend hours and hours, reading tons or thousands of books, during growing up days. In 6th paragraph it seems that he disliked his school, listening to the teachers and noting them on notebook. He was irritated by this. He wanted to be a self-learner. During his school days at St. Paul, with the help of his master, he was able to enter into library in Science Museum. When he was at university he had access to Oxford's two great university library, the Radcliffe Science Library and Bodleian, where he was fascinated by unforgotten works of Theodore Hook. He was so impressed that he decided to write case history on him. His most loved library was library in Queen's College. In 1956 he moved to New York and settled there in a small apartment, but there he did not find any comfort to read and write. Later he was allowed to enter into library at Albert Einstein College of Medicine, where he found more comfortable than that. In 1990s he discovered that most of peoples were using computer, laptop for knowledge and ignoring books. Similar incident happened on AECOM library. He was way sad by less use and loss of books. The book that increased Oliver attraction toward was Mug Run by Edward Leaving. I sincerely appreciate your attention. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.